In this video, I will show you how to convert USDT to Bitcoin on Bybit. To do this, just go and open up Bybit. This can be the app or the website, and then head over to your assets. Now once you are in your assets, you just want to go and click on Convert, and at the top you want to select USDT. So for me it says Bitcoin, so just click on whatever it says for you and select USDT. Now at the bottom for me it's already set to Bitcoin, which is what I want. If it's something else for you, then again just click on it and select Bitcoin. If you can't find it, you can also just search for BTC and then select it. Now at the top choose how much you want to do. I'll just click max, and then you can click quote at the bottom. Then you will see how much you're gonna get, and then click confirm. And then the trade will happen and it will basically be converted into Bitcoin. So you can now see if I go view assets, I now have a little over $12 in the Bitcoin right here. So now you know how to convert USDT to Bitcoin on Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.